skill sets. We're gonna do 5 problems. Gonna square a binomial with imaginary numbers involved. So 5 plus 3i parentheses squared. We will do it out the first time and then we'll take the shortcuts for the remainder. So this means 5 plus 3i times 5 plus 3i. The foiling gets us 25 plus 15i plus 15i plus 9i squared. Remember I squared. I times I gives us -1, so that is a sign changer. I squared changes the coefficient, so we get 25 plus 30i minus 9, which gets us 16 plus 30i. Now, you always want to look at the process with fewer steps. So over here, we have 25 plus 30i minus 9. Okay, where's it coming from? It's coming from squaring the 5, 30i, doubling 15i, which we can see over here, doubling 50i, and 9i squared becomes the number -9. So we're going to take that shortcut. Maybe not entirely, but we're going to cut down the number of steps it takes to get an answer here. So let's try another one. We'll leave this on the board in case you don't know it, maybe through osmosis. You'll get there. 7 plus 2i squared. What are we doing with the 7? Squaring it. What are we doing with 14i? Doubling it. What are we doing with 2i times 2i? Writing 4i squared. That becomes 49 plus 28i minus 4. Answer 45 plus 28i. That was problem number 2. We'll do problem number 3. Remember, you're pausing the video, you're trying them on your own. Let's look at 7 minus 6 minus 7i squared. You can do the foiling. Go ahead, but you're going to see that the 6 gets squared. Minus 42i shows up twice. So minus 84i, and a minus times a minus, this is always a positive. Keep that in mind. 7 squared, 49, I squared. That means that's the number -49. So we have 36 minus 49 minus 84i, which gives us minus 13 minus 84i. Okay, hopefully I don't make any mistakes here because I'm talking and I'm flying. All right, so next problem. Let's look at 2 minus 9i squared. Let's see how you do. What do you do with a 2? You square it. What do you do with minus 18i? You double it. You can prove that to yourself again with this foiling process. Minus squared, remember, always positive when you square. And that's 81i squared. Took me a while to write that. Can I do 4 minus 81 in my head? Can I keep that? Boy, I'm having trouble here. 81, can I do that in my head? I hope so. Minus 77, minus 36i. All right, one last one, and then I'll upload this and add it. We'll call it skills, imaginaries, squaring. All right, 10 minus 5i squared. 10 minus 5i in parentheses squared. 10 squared, there's 100. I'm seeing minus 50i, and one last time, minus 50i happens twice. So minus 50i, that becomes minus 100i. And squaring always gets me a positive, third term, 25i squared. In your head, can you do that? I hope you get 75 minus 100i. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to do 5 of everything on the test, and you've got some practice at your fingertips. I'm going to end this one.